Right guys, day 2 of subtracting with fractions. You did a fab job yesterday. I really hope that some of you are now starting to build your confidence as we go with fractions. So today, more subtraction, but today we are subtracting with mixed numbers. Same pattern that we did with addition, and it's exactly the same thing, really. So we're going to start, this one is quite easy. Actually, let's put, there we go. So we have 4 wholes and 7/8, take away 1 and a quarter. Just like we did with addition, we're going to separate our two parts. We're going to take away our whole numbers first. So we're going to have 4 take away 1 equals 3. And then we're going to do our fractions. So we have 7 over 8, take away 1 quarter. Now obviously, as we know from all of our addition and subtraction work, we can't do that until we have denominators that are the same. So we need to make our 4 into 8. We can't do anything with this one because we've got a prime number at the top. So we have to change our 4 into 8. So we're going to keep our 7/8 and we're going to multiply this one top and bottom by 2, which means our 4 becomes an 8 and our 1 becomes a 2. So we have 7 take away 2 gives us 5. And then we put the pieces back together again. So our answer is 3 and 5/8. And that's it. So you might get one question that looks a bit confusing. It's not. I know you can do it because I have faith in all of you. So you might get a question that looks a bit like this. Now first of all, I hope you are shouting at your screen and say, well, that's not a mixed number. You're right, it's not. Okay, so we have instead an improper fraction. So 2 ways you could do this. So first way, we're going to leave it as an improper fraction. And what we're going to do is we're just going to change our half. So to change our half, we need to make this into a 6. We need to make this denominator the same. So we're going to times our top and bottom by 3 to make this one a 6. So we're going to keep our 15 over 6 and take away 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. Which gives us 12 over 6. And then we're going to write that as a mixed number, although in this case it's actually not a mixed number because 12 over 6 gives us 2 wholes. Okay, now if you want to slow down and pause there and go and draw bar models to help you, by all means you can do that. Okay. So you could say, okay, so I've got all of these into 6s, no, they're in 4s, 5 and 6. I've got these into 6s. I had 15, which was 6, 12, 30, 40, 15. Then I took those 3 away, which left me with 12 sixths or 2 wholes left. So you can always go back to the bar model if you're not quite sure of anything. You could also change at the start your 15 over 6 into a mixed number. So you could have started with 2 and 3/6 and then done this part, taken away your 3/6 there, which again would give you the exact same answer because your 3/6 would just cancel each other out. 3/6 take away 3/6 and that equals 2. Doesn't matter which method you use. It doesn't matter whether you keep it as an improper fraction and then convert it to a mixed number or a whole number, or if you convert it to a mixed number first and then take away your fraction to get the answer, Doesn't matter which way around you do it. You might be asked to do it in a certain way, but you all showed how well you can convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So you can do that, and you can do that quite easily. So, and those of you that do sometimes find things tricky, you know you can go back to drawing a bar model and take your time and do it right. So it doesn't matter which way you do it. So we'll do one more normal one. And then I would like you to all get on. So we have 5 3/4, take away 2/16. Now, if we do our whole numbers first, well, we've still got 5. We haven't got any others to take away, so that's nice and easy. So we've just got to convert our 3/4 or our 2/16 into the same denominator. So we can't make this into 4 because we could divide 16 by 4, but we can't divide 2.4. So we need to make our 4 16. We need to use that as our equivalent fraction. So we're going to keep our 2/16 and we're going to change this one instead. So we want that to be over 16. That means we have times this by 4, and that means we must times the numerator by 4 as well. And that gives us 12 take away 2. So we've got our 12/16 from here, taking away our 2/16, which gives us 10/16. Now, for those of you that have started to simplify your fractions, both of these numbers are divisible by 2, which gives us 5/8. So we could have 5 and 5/8. Sorry for the dodgy 8, a bit sideways. So that's it for today. More of the same, really, and I'm sorry if it's getting a little bit boring. There is a challenge question at slide 5, so if you're starting to really understand this and your confidence is growing, please give it a go, and we'll see how you all get on. So have a great day, and I will see you all very soon.